Hey guys, back again. Happy Thursday. We're getting closer to the weekend, and good news, I'll be back tomorrow. So for today, pretty easy agenda. You are going to finish your independent work identifying the theme of the landlady. If you forgot or you were absent yesterday, you can go back and watch my YouTube video on how to identify theme, and you had a chance to practice with a buddy. Hopefully you did a nice job identifying the theme of the monkey's paw. My suggestion would be to look at the idea of wishes or the idea of want and greed. As we know in the story, the character was overly greedy and ill will happened to him as a result. So hopefully you pulled out the concept of greed and the impact it can have on a person's well-being. Today you're going to analyze the landlady. You are going to document all your work on the independent landlady slide. You will come up with your big idea or your topic. You will use that chart again to come up with your adverb, a transitive verb, and then what is the statement about everyday life. And then you'll compose that into a nice theme statement. If you finish with that and all of your work is done through skill 2, you are welcome to start or continue working on your second article of the week. Remember with your article of the week, if you go to, sorry Gavin, if you go to the Article of the Week resources, you are going to pick one of the choice articles that seems to engage you or fit your interests. Once you pick one of the articles that's listed, I'm just going to go ahead and pick everything you need to know. Or actually, let's do, it's not soda. Once you open it up, it will actually have the assignment. Your job is to upload it into some sort of annotation program, whether it be Easy Annotate or Explain Everything. You're going to engage in the reading and annotate throughout the text, and then you will do a 200-word or more thoughtful reflection based on the possible response questions listed below. I'm going to ask that you create a blank Google Doc, like we talked about in class, to have your response question, and then you can take screenshots of the annotations you did and insert them at the bottom of your Google Doc, so that when you submit it, I should have your response and your annotation pictures that you did underneath. Be mindful to look back in the Article of the Week resource folder for my model of what yours should look like when you're all said and done. It should be nicely annotated throughout, where you pause and stop to engage with the text. Mine are inserted as comments. Again, yours will be pictures and screenshots because the iPads don't look the same. But I took pictures at the bottom so you can see what that looks like. So I should be able to see the annotations that you did, and you can do screenshots like I did. And then your response should look something like this, with a nice cheeky little title, double-spaced, thoughtful response, making sure you include evidence from the text to support your ideas, 200 words or more, or less, not less, 200 words approximate, which is about a page. So you can work on that. Because that will be due Monday. I will be back tomorrow. We'll do our Lit Circle discussion to talk about Skill 2 work and just wrap up the week. Miss you guys. Hope you're having a good Wednesday and Thursday. See you guys later.